This time, everything is reversed at the end of the universe. Return. I would like to send you an urban legend. The end of the universe and everything is the opposite. Hypothesis of going back. How will the universe come to an end? Roughly 13.8 billion years have passed since the Big Bang. Several doomsday scenarios have been proposed for the expanding universe. Among them, everything is the opposite. The backward hypothesis. It's an interesting model that ties the fate of the universe to a theory called the Big Crunch. The universe expanding contracts at some point. All matter and energy are concentrated in one point. In the end, it will be like a reverse big version. Now, the scientific background and hypothesis of the scenario in which the universe reverses. And its philosophical. Let's look at the physical meaning together. 1. Universe's expansion and contraction model. The Big Bang and expansion. The universe's birth? It is attributed to a huge explosion called the Big Bang that occurred about 13.8 billion years ago. Space and time were created by the Big Bang. Energy, matter spread. Galaxies and stars formed, Edwin. Based on Hubble's observations, galaxies have been discovered moving away from each other, confirming that the universe is still expanding today. Dark energy and the accelerated expansion of the universe. Based on observations in the late 1990s, the universe's expansion is not just a unifying effect, but accelerating. As a cause of this acceleration, it is believed that there is an unknown energy called dark energy. If dark energy's effects persist, the universe infinitely expands, stars and galaxies pulling apart. It is thought that the heat enemy will die soon. Big Crunch hypothesis. Big Crunch. The scenario where everything reverses after reaching its peak expansion. It's based on a hypothesis called the Big Crunch, which starts contracting again. According to this theory, if the universe's mass density exceeds critical levels, gravity halts expansion. It can turn into a contraction. The galaxies approach each other. Stars disintegrate. Eventually, all matter and energy will be compressed into one point. Possibility of a reverse Big Bang. At the end of the Big Crunch, with the whole universe being squeezed into one point, time and space itself can collapse. This is thought to be the reverse of the Big Bang. It is also known as the reverse big version. When the universe converges on one point again, there's a new Big Bang. It has also been suggested that a new universe may be born. Thus, circular cosmology, in which the universe repeatedly expands and contracts, is also advocated among some scientists. Time reversal and the laws of physics. The arrow of time and entropy. The flow of time in the universe is related to a physical quantity called entropy. Entropy is an indicator of the disorder of the diameter and the yield of energy. It is said that it always increases in closed systems. Thus, time seems to flow irreversibly from the past to the future. When the universe contracts, does time also reverse? In a scenario where everything reverses, entropy decreases as the universe contracts. The possibility of reversing the flow of time is discussed. However, it is unclear whether this can realistically happen. The reversal of time means past and future in our senses are not only reversed, but it's a strange phenomenon that causation itself reverses. Example, an object's original shape before destruction. A situation may arise where you return to. 4. The scientific challenge of reversing the universe, the dark energy mystery. For the Big Crunch to happen, dark energy needs to lose its power to keep expanding indefinitely. However, the nature and future behavior of dark energy are not fully understood at this time. If dark energy disappears in the future, or if weakened, gravity again becomes dominant. Contraction could begin with gravity and density effects. Universe's fate. It also depends on the critical density of the universe as a whole. The private density is infinite universe expansion. It is the church that decides whether to turn to contraction. However, current observations. Cosmic density is said to be very close to coastal density. Difficult to predict its future. 5. Philosophical circular universe model. Scientific significance. Is universe's end a new beginning? The idea that everything goes backwards. The universe does not end with a single end. It gives you the perspective that endings and beginnings cycle. This leads to the philosophical concept that one end becomes a new beginning. This is akin to Eastern reincarnation thoughts, infinite time and polyglot universe possibilities. In the circular universe model, the current universe is just one of countless cycles. Thus, it also suggests that there may be another universe or cycle that we cannot observe, such a polyglot cosmology. It has become an important topic of debate in physics and philosophy. 6 conclusions. The scenario around the universe in which everything reverses is the universe's end isn't in infinite expansion. It's a hypothesis based on a big crunch that turns into contraction at some point. This model is, from a physical point of view, interesting problems such as the reversal of entropy and the reversal of the flow of time are raised. However, it also contains many unexplained elements such as the nature of dark energy and the density of the universe. If the circulation model in which the universe expands and contracts over and over again is correct, the present universe in which we live is, maybe it's just part of that eternal chain. The idea that the end is a new beginning? It will be a great opportunity for mankind to reconsider the nature of the universe. How did you like it? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.